Hey, so it appears you're looking for a new POS solution. Lightspeed Restaurant is an all-in-one hospitality platform designed to manage every aspect of your business. Whether it be for the front of house or back-end operations, Lightspeed can really handle it all. The platform can be optimized for all different types of environments such as quick serve, fine dining, and even bars and nightclubs. In this video, we'll take a look at how to manage all aspects of your business using our platform. So let's begin by taking an order from one of your customers. Taking an order from your customer has never been easier than with our native iOS application. Once you open a table, you can access your full menu easily and even sort the way your customer's order is displayed by either time, product, seat, or course. Navigate swiftly through your different product categories to find the item you are looking for by using the category buttons at the bottom. You can also type in a search for the item or enter a quick PLU code assigned to it. Now let's take an order from your customer. For the sake of this demo, we will do a table service order and take the order by seat number. We can click on the seat in the order view and then add our item from the menu to the order. Lightspeed Restaurant also allows you to highlight the menu items to your clients using the Show and Tell feature. If I long press on the product button, it will bring up a full-sized image of the item, which you can load into the system. This feature also allows you to display additional information such as ingredients, suggested pairings, allergens, and even stock quantities if you are tracking them. For special requests, you can have modifiers attached to your products, as you can see when we add this item, allowing you to customize the order to the customer's preference. Once your order is ready, click the Send button and it will be routed to the appropriate kitchen or bar printers, or even our digital kitchen display system, which is designed for quick serve environments. We know that managing the front of house of your restaurant is more than just taking orders. But don't worry, Lightspeed Restaurant has you covered for the rest as well. With our takeout and delivery module, you can manage your orders in an easy list view, track pickup or delivery times, and manage the customers attached to the orders. The module also integrates with various online ordering platforms, which will automatically push new orders into the same list view, giving you one central place to manage your orders. The Orders section gives you a bird's eye view of all transactions that are occurring within your restaurant. It also gives you the flexibility to sort your orders by user, table type, order status, and even allows you to view any orders where tips have not been added. With our Customers section, you have full access to your customer database, all of their contact information, and even the ability to create new customers on the fly. Having your employees be able to easily manage their shifts and get you the data you need at the end of the day is extremely important. Under the Users section, your employees can clock in and clock out when they are done. They also have the ability to print the necessary reports on their day, such as their X, Z, user, and day reports. From here, they can even manage their cash drawers if applicable. Finally, they can close out their shift or day, which will give them a personalized view of all their orders, allowing them to easily see any tables they may have forgotten to close out, or even any tips they may have forgotten to add to the table, just like in the order view. When we are ready to close out the order, click the Pay button to take the appropriate payment method from the customer. Lightspeed gives you the flexibility to support and take different types of payment, such as cash, credit, or debit cards. In addition, we have a built-in gift card module where you can sell or redeem gift cards within your business, a loyalty program for point collection and redemption, and even integrations with property management systems that allow you to search room numbers or the names of guests who are checked in and then charge the order to their room account. Do your customers also like to pay for things separately? Lightspeed lets you split the bill in multiple ways, such as by seat, product, or you can even check one person out if the rest of the table are going to continue dining. For a restaurant owner, there is far more you need to tackle in your day-to-day than just taking orders from your customers. The Lightspeed Restaurant Manager has been designed to help you simplify these back-end managerial duties. Also, since our system is completely cloud-based, You can manage these tasks from anywhere in the world. Gone are the days of needing to call in a consultant just to make changes to your menu. Lightspeed Restaurant lets you easily manage and create menu categories, modifiers, ingredients, and products. When it comes to products, you have the flexibility to create different types of products you may need, such as your menu items, discounts, service charges, and even combos. And if you have multiple locations within your organization, these products can instantly be pushed out to select locations or all locations within the chain. Want to quickly create a promotion or schedule one for later? The timed events feature will allow you to create them on the fly without any hassle. You can easily create fixed price promos, discounts, or even time-based visibility on certain menu items. Reporting on your business has never been simpler. With our reports, you can easily access the data you need on your business's performance in real time, from anywhere. If you have multiple locations, our location reports will easily allow you to get the information you need from all locations in one central place. We even offer an advanced reporting module where you can amalgamate multiple key reports into one master report, saving you time and allowing you to focus on other areas of your business. Losing precious time each month trying to get all of your numbers over to your accounting platform? With Lightspeed Accounting, you can sync over to various accounting packages automatically. By having your data being sent over directly to your books, there is no longer the need for messy file exports or manual data entry, saving you time and money. Thanks so much for taking the time out of your busy schedule to watch this video. We hope you found this demo of Lightspeed Restaurant useful. If you are interested in finding out more on how our system can help streamline your restaurant operations, or would like to schedule a personalized demo with one of our in-house experts, please don't hesitate to contact us.
Welcome to the Propel 2021 virtual event. I hope you are enjoying the event so far. In this session, we will be introducing our Lightspeed integration with Acumatica. First, to introduce myself. I'm Kulveer Kela, and I have over 14 years of experience in the ERP industry, ranging from SAP Business One, Sage Intacct, and now Acumatica. In 2019, I joined the Answer Company as the software development manager for the Cloud Solutions Group, and in 2020, I was fortunate enough to join the Acumatica developer MVP community. In the time I've been with the Answer Company, we have implemented 3 integrations and have placed them all on the Acumatica marketplace. Some facts about the Lightspeed POS system. The company was started in 2005 and is based in Montreal, Quebec. The Lightspeed was a payment solution for Apple when it first started out, and the company went public in 2019 on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Recent acquisitions include Gastrofix and Vend. And the last funding for Lightspeed was in 2017 for approximately $200 million Canadian. Lightspeed integrates with DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Skip the Dishes. Lightspeed also offers API solutions for the retail and restaurant industries. Now we shift focus to the Lightspeed Acumatica integration that we've built for the restaurant module. Here are the foundational components for the Lightspeed restaurant integration. We have taken advantage of the Azure platform to deliver the solution in a cloud environment, which fits nicely with the 2 cloud platforms such as Lightspeed and Acumatica. On a daily basis, the receipts are collected from Lightspeed and a cash sales document is created in Acumatica for each restaurant location. We will show you this in more detail in our demo shortly. Leveraging native Microsoft cloud-based technologies, we are able to deliver solutions in a robust and timely manner. The other integration I would like to briefly highlight is a retail integration for Lightspeed. Here are the foundational components for the integration on the retail side of things. As you can see on the diagram, the inventory integration is from Acumatica to Lightspeed, and then the customers and the sales orders are synced back into Acumatica. Now we will transition to the demo portion of the presentation. In our first screen, you will see the Lightspeed back office where you can manage products, orders, enhance stores designs, and access other useful features. What we see here on the screen is the receipts generated for the day at one location. The integration will hit the API that Lightspeed offers and retrieve the daily receipts from each location. If we now transition to the report that is generated out of this back office, you'll see the receipts have been grouped by type in the first table, as you see here, and grouped by categories, as you see in the table below. What our integration will do is set out to group by product type and create a cash sales document in Acumatica. Now, if we transition to Acumatica, you will see an example of a cash sales document. Lightspeed hits your cash account directly. Integration takes each receipt from the current day and groups them by product groups established in Lightspeed into the line level of the cash document as you see here. Client will see this as their monthly bank reconciliation process. Advantage here is that it shows up as a cash account and you don't have to do a bank deposit. In summary, Lightspeed offers two APIs we have covered in this slide, plus a whole other array of products. One thing to point out is that Lightspeed also offers the sales recording module for Quebec for the restaurant product. This integration leaves a small footprint on the Acumatica platform by utilizing a deep integration with Azure and Microsoft technologies. This integration leverages the best-in-class API for both Lightspeed and Acumatica. That ends the demo and the presentation for the integration. If you have any questions around this slide deck, please email us at info@theanswerco.com. Thank you so much for attending, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.